Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to show you a couple of more trades. I showed you trades yesterday. I'm showing you more trades today. Number one, live account. For those who need to know, oh, is this demo or a live account? Live account right there, okay? But with this system, and I took off the other confirmation indicators, but as you can see, here goes a trade, GBP NZD, and I'm currently up 23 pips, waiting for it to do its thing. Look at there, 30-minute showing the same thing. Let's take a look. See, 30-minute, boom, shot up. Red, boom. Green, boom. Okay, there goes one trade. Let's take a look at the Euro CAD. Give me a second. Euro CAD, because I'm in that one too. And I'm just showing you what you can expect. Again, we don't take every trade we see, but when you take the ones according to the rules, you'll see some profit margins that's pretty nice looking. Okay, so here's one on the 30-minute. Here's one off the 30-minute. As you can see right here, look, shot on up, made some very good pips. Okay, click down to the 15, 30, and here it's the 1 hour. Also confirm that. So you can see, here's the 1 hour. Look at that. Boom, boom. And here we are. Boom, 69 pips, live account. Okay, for those who need to know that stuff. All right, next, let's go to Euro Swiss. I'm up on that one, just a few pips. I forgot how much, I don't know, but we'll check and see. Let's check it out. So this one, I'm up 49 pips right here. Let's go to where I got in on this one. Boom, right there on that 15. You see that? Boom, right there, crisp and clean with no caffeine. Wow, really nice trade. Look at this on the, look at the right here, it drifted. Boom, look right here, in post move. And I'll teach you that when you come to class. We do have for live classes a couple of times a week, and that schedule will be in your tutorial program printouts. Look at that, 49 crispy pips. Okay. So this one came in later because it's an impulse move. This is a news event situation. You'll learn what I mean by that. But look at that, look at that, look at that impulse move. But I got in on a 15-minute on this one prior to the news event. See, the system knew. And then boom, news came out because the Fed chairman was talking today. So check your charts. Again, this is a live account, okay? Live. And let me check what date. What day is this? Today is June 30th, okay? June 30th, all right? And then let's take a look at a couple of more trades that I'm in. See, I'm just gonna show you. I'm showing you. So this, I just literally wrapped up class with 250 something students in there. Okay, and here goes GA. Now again, it shot up, created 20 something pips during class, 20 something pips. So I'm just checking on this one myself on my personal account, but in class we actually took this trade together and it shot up and made the 20 something pips with 300 something students in 200 something students in class. So again, I couldn't fake it, and this is how we knew, and you'll learn what I'm looking at. Okay. With that. So I'm still doing hold on to it. It's doing a herky jerky, but I'm expecting it to possibly climb up. But as you can see right here, last time, boom, following the rules, and look at that large drop on GA, and there we go. And then last but not least, take a look on this one. All right, let's take a look at this one. 25 pips on this one. Okay, so basically you already see I'm on this, I'm already up over 100 pips today using the system. Okay, and let's pull this over. Okay, sorry for the snapback. Boy, I love y'all too. Stop hitting me up. Stop hitting me up. All right, so I'm doing a video. I love y'all. But anyway, those are people who's in my class. All right, so as you can see here, look, boom, in my zone, popped up. I'm already up 20 something pips on this one. And let's take a look. Okay, and you'll learn all this. Look at how many trades you would have won on this one. I think I showed you this one already. So anyway, that's enough. So again, just showing you guys proof on a, again, live account. Okay, for those, it ain't live, you ain't got a real account, it's fake. Okay, no problem. All right, but that's that. Okay, so again, you can take the indicators off and check the charts on each one of these trades, which I call a naked charts. When you take all the indicators off and you just have only the price action on the chart, which can't be faked, you can go back. Today is June 30th. just to verify the trades to see if they're real and if the price action that I'm showing you actually happened. June 30th, 2020. So even if you go back 2 years from now, on June 30th, 2020, you'll see this, but then you'll understand why we took the trades. And these we took live in class, okay? With 250 students in class, we took this together, and you can see it works out very nicely with the system, okay? So that's in simplicity in its finest. All right, you guys, and I posted up charts and trades that I took on yesterday as well. So again, hey, just when you follow the rules using our system, you know, you can make pips. Now, you don't have to trade every day, but again, and you can see the price is moving, okay? The price is moving. So, but you don't have to trade every single day, but you can at least know that, hey, you're going to have some very good potential success. And I have to say that word, you know, people always, oh, da, da, da. So potential success using our trading system. Okay. All right. See you guys on the inside. In our classes with me, we have several trainers who actually provide you classes, no additional cost. But my classes are on Tuesdays and Wednesdays mornings at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want to be live in class with me, ask questions, you'll be able to talk with me directly. That's what days. Then you have Miss Jenny, and then you have Mr. Irving, who also teaches classes. And that will be inside the schedule. Okay. All right, you guys have a good day.